Hi, my name is Katie Sampaio, author of Eat to Thrive, the anti-diet cookbook, and founder of katiesampaio.com. I am so excited to tell you guys about my free snack guide that I created to help you break free from your boring, plain Jane convenient snacks that are loaded with sugars and preservatives. And trust me guys, that is stuff that you do not want anywhere near your body. So we're gonna take that granola bar that you probably take to work every single day, right? And replace it with quick and healthy snacks that taste so good, eating them is going to be the highlight of your day. The best part is you do not need to be a 5-star chef or spend hours meal prepping in the kitchen to make these super healthy and tasty snacks. They literally take 5 minutes or less to make. That's it, guys. And they're super simple. That is the key here. So if you're ready to ditch that boring granola bar and replace it with exciting and tasty snacks, click the link in the description to get your free copy of Snacking 101, the ultimate snack guide for the non-cook, sent directly to your inbox today.